The Archiver Cloud Benchmarking Test Suite. Archiver combines extreme data scaling, network connectivity, service interoperability, and business models in a hybrid cloud environment to deliver end-to-end archiving and preservation services that cover the full research life cycle. By acting as a collective of procurers, Archiver creates an ecosystem for specialist ICT companies active in archiving who would like to introduce new services capable of supporting the expanding needs of research communities in the context of the European HNSciCloud (EOSC). To evaluate the technical readiness level of ICT companies participating in R&D tenders, the Archiver project requires an automated and transparent process of quality assurance and a short feedback cycle. In projects such as Helix Nebula Science Cloud, Archiver, and OCRE, the IT department at CERN has matured experience in designing and developing a testing framework which simplifies and automates the testing process. The idea now is to enhance best practice by expanding and applying the same processes to the Archiver Cloud Benchmarking Test Suite to enable onboarding of commercial services for research environments in the context of the EOSC. The Archiver Cloud Benchmarking Test Suite is based on 10 architectural principles. The final solution will be independent, provide generic support, so as to be compatible with the major cloud providers, be self-contained, to enable robust portability, easy shipping, and predictability, be fully configurable, to allow for continuous delivery, automated scheduling, and ease of use, be documented, with clearly described test cases captured as user stories, be abstracted, not dependent on a specific code language, but rather providing a software framework for test implementation. Be modular, to accommodate defined test cases and the inclusion of diverse tests from a variety of sources. Be adjustable, taking into account the phases of the Archiver project and able to handle both functional and non-functional testing. Be accessible, providing outputs as readable results and as standardized reports, and allowing login for further analysis and assessment. Be open source. The Archiver testing framework utilizes open technologies which allow easy deployment and transparent assessment, stimulating the research community to contribute additional use cases. The abstraction layer is based on Terraform and Ansible for resource provisioning, and Docker and Kubernetes for orchestration. We expect the expanded concept to be considered best practice for the onboarding of commercial services for research environments in the EOSC context. The tests which may be performed via the Archiver Cloud Benchmarking Test Suite range from evaluating cloud infrastructure, for example, storage, network connectivity, and ingest rates, to evaluating the degree of fairness of data repository services. There are 8 testing areas, 3 of which are ready for use: object storage, networking, data repatriation to Zenodo. Another 5 testing areas are in development: fair evaluation, data ingestion, open APIs, federated IAM, a set of test cases to validate different open data related features involving metadata, verification, and searches, amongst others. A continuous testing environment means swift deployment and assessment, and enhanced feedback and response times. Please feel free to experiment and let us know what you think, or if you'd like to integrate a test.